Hello all, welcome to Random Art with Karen. And it is Tuesday, I think it's the 7th. Anyway, that's going to be important here in a minute. The Planner Extravaganza sale just wrapped up, and I can't believe that I already received one of my orders. This is from Nightingale Paper Co, and I have never shopped with her before because I just found her through the sale. But let me show you. I hope you can see. Can you see the date that I ordered? May 3rd. Hello. And it came yesterday. She's in North Carolina and I'm in Tennessee. But still, who does that? Apparently, Amber does with Nightingale Paper Co. So let me show you the goodness that I ordered. And yes, I will be ordering from her again. And another thing, a thank you card. Hello, who does this? Apparently, Amber from Nightingale Paper Co. You just gotta love the extra, look! And then she spends all this time writing this huge note. Who does this? Apparently, Amber from Nightingale Paper Co. All right. Let's get to the goodness. This little plastic bag's actually nice, pretty heavy duty. Ooh, I might have to use that somewhere in a journal. That's a beautiful, beautiful card. Don't you love the bird? Look at this freebie. You know, at these sales, everybody will usually give a little freebie and little tiered items. These are itty bitty stickers. That's adorbs, absolutely adorbs. Another freebie. What? I hope you can see that. Don't you love her little characters? So cute. I did get on their Facebook page because when I knew I was going to order, I posted, you know, are there any PR girls out there? And Halen answered me, and I really love her little PR mini freebie. All right, now let's get to what I ordered. Yeah, this was just all the extra goodness here. Let's get to what I ordered. Again, I love the little character, and so I did order the sampler. There's just a little bit of everything in there, isn't there? So cute. You know, I love stickers that when you open up your planner, they make you smile, you know, or just put you in a better mood. That's a good sticker. And then these are so cute. I like to do some bullet journaling sometime. So just to have this little guy just peeking around the corner, that's going to make me happy. And I can always use date covers. And she did have 2 choices on her fonts. And this is the one that I chose. And then these watercolor swatches. I like using those either to stamp in or put a sticker quote in or just to do some layering. So these are going to be a lot of fun to play with. And beautiful colors. Oh, I love the blues. Actually, I love them all. And then a girl can't have enough arrows. You know, I like to use them as fillers, or if I need to direct your attention because I ran out of room and go to another area. Love me some arrows. All right, well, I'm done here because I'm ready to go take these stickers and play. I appreciate y'all checking in with me today. I'm going to put the link below for Amber's shop, Nightingale Paper Co. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please consider becoming a subscriber. Those of you that do subscribe, you know I appreciate y'all. Let's do the wave bye. Look forward to doing some planner shopping with you next time. Bye.